Hey guys, you're welcome to today's tutorial on many souls. My name is Benedicta and today we're going to drafting a basic sleeve pattern. So let's begin. And then to draft this basic sleeve pattern, we're going to in our bust measurement. So for to determine our arm size, we're going to be dividing our bust measurement by 12. So for this pattern, I'm making use of bust 25. Bust 25 divided by 12 is 2.9. And I'm going to be adding 1.5 inch to it, which is 3.9. So I'm going to be rounding it up to 4 inches. So I'm going to mark my 4 inches there and then I'm going to use my straight ruler to roll it out. Next thing I'll be marking is my armhole. And then to determine our armhole, we're going to be dividing our bust measurement, circumference rather, by 6. And then the bust measurement I'm working with, like earlier said, is 35. 35 divided by 6, I have 5.8. And then adding 1.5 inch to it, I have 7.3. So on my arm side, I'm going to mark my armhole measurement right there. And I'm going to use my long root to connect the line to the top of my sleeve pattern. And then here we have it. So to determine how we're going to curve in our armhole, I'm going to measure what I have there and I'm going to divide it by 2. There I have 8.25 and 8.25 divided by 2 is 4.1 and that's my 4.1. And on that mark, I'm going to come down by half of an inch. Then I'm going to use my curve drill to make a curve down there. Just the way we have on our fabrics. We don't have a straight line. We have curves. So I'm going to curve in right there and then turn my curve drill to find the perfect curve to the armhole, and then this is what I have. Next thing, I'm going to blend it in properly because we don't want any sharp edge. So next thing I'm going to marking right there is my sleeve length. The sleeve length I'm working with is 11 inches, so I'm marking it there. Then sleeve, my round sleeve is 11 inches. Also 11 inches divided by 2 is 5.5 inch. I'm sorry the camera didn't get to that particular part, I'm sorry. So I've gone ahead to mark my 5.5 there and I've taken it down. But since we know that our arm is not on a straight line, it's not a straight like a ruler thing. So I'm going to use my curve drill to curve it in, finding a curved line to the full length of my sleeve. I'm sorry guys that is not showing there. I'm going to make another tutorial on this and I'm going to show us that. So the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is to cut it out. Guys, this is a very simple tutorial. It's a very simple tutorial. Please guys, do replicate it and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. And of course, if there's any other tutorial you want me to do, please let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to actually do that and show you. So here guys, this is what we have for our sleeve block. This is it and it's looking so neat and finished. It's very simple. So guys, if you're new on our channel, please go down right below right now and hit the subscribe button. And for returning subscribers, we love you. I'm say keep coming back. So on my fabric, to cut this on my fabric, I'm going to be adding half an inch on the armhole line and 1 inch at the side, and then to the very end I'm going to be adding my sewing allowance. So I'm going over the measurements again, our arm side, our armhole, and then of course our full length. So those are measurements, our bust measurements. That's for first to determine our armhole is divided by 6, then plus 1.5 inch sewing allowance. So here we are done. Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.